Hi, hello friends. Today I am going to show you something very interesting in this video. It's all about incognito tab. Hope you guys are well aware of that incognito tab, but let me open for you all. So, so this is something where you can find incognito tab over here. So the third option is new incognito window. So the people usually feel like this is the window where we cannot expose our data or the surfing stuff whatever we are doing in this particular tab. But I would say it's totally wrong. It's not wrong, but it's a myth because we have an option where we can see the data or the surfing stuff whatever has did so far in this particular incognito tab. So friends, again I'm saying straightforwardly that this is not something where you want to steal important data from others, but it is a friendly manner where I'm telling you to just see and make use of this in a proper manner, but not in a negative way. I'm not at all responsible for you if at all happened in a negative format. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, let's get started now. So I just opened my incognito tab. Let's say just search for YouTube video. Oh, we get some sort of data, whatever the updated fields over here. And let's open few more tabs here, like whatever. See, like NSC, NSC India. Like just to make sure that what are all the tabs we are opening here, we can capture it everything behind the scenes. I will show you how to capture and how to take out the data whatever served here. But here, friends, just observe here, like what the Google is saying here is now you can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. Correct. Ideally, it's correct, but still we have the way to crack it out. Okay, so see here also your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, your internet or service provider. But how? It is possible. According to these three lines, they're saying it is possible, but most of the people are not aware of that. So I am going to show you how to make this possible. Okay? Okay, yeah, let's see. Now just open Amazon website and I have a few things where I make here. Okay, yeah, just Flipkart and everybody likes. One more thing, that is Facebook. Okay, yeah, whatever it is. I just open few tabs over here, and what I'm doing here is I'm just closing up everything here, and now I will show you how to see the data which has been opened in the incognito window. Now, step one, browser data in incognito window. So first we have to type ipconfig / display DNS and just click. So friends, now you all can observe here the data whatever we opened so far. You can see here. See, the record name is nothing but www.lunapic.com. So it's not like we have whatever we opened the last few minutes back. It will retrieve all the data from day one whatever opened so here in this incognito window. Okay, so see, the record name is nothing but the website what we searched for, and a record type, time to live. So this is something which we particularly stand on that particular application in microseconds, I hope. Even I am not sure about it. Data length section CNAME, and even I am not much aware of it. But in this way, you can get the data whatever captured in incognito window. Friends, and again one more thing, like if you want to take this data in a particular file, we can do that also. See, just click on the top button, top arrow mark, and just make this command c colon users, sorry, c colon forward slash users forward slash, that is the system name. So you have to type your system name, and wherever you want to save that particular file you can do that. I just want to save this on desktop, so I give desktop. And what is the file name in which you have to save? So I'm just giving history.txt, and just hit enter. So after executing this particular command, just go to desktop and search for history. Guys, hope you all can observe that a new file has been created on desktop. I'm just opening that for you. So yeah, see. So this is the history tab. So in this particular file, all the data from day one which have been opened or served via incognito window has been saved here. I hope you all get this, and I can also show you how you want to stay back from exposing this particular stuff also. We can do that also. So for that, the command is ipconfig front slash, just give flush DNS, and just hit enter. Okay, I think I have made mistake at this forward slash backslash. So yeah, let's try one more time. Guys, would you observe that I just give spelling wrong? It's FLUSH DNS. Now you could observe that this particular line successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So that means Windows is saying that the particular cache where the previous stuff has been removed successfully from that particular cache. Cache is nothing but where the place where it stores some sort of information related to the browsing, you can say on high level. So again, if you want to confirm that, just give the previous command which you given for to retrieve the data. So if you give again the previous command which is required to show or see the data, but I think this is not that one. So this is related to something about system, because see here you can see ARPANET mshome.net. So this is no way related to our browsing stuff. So this is something about related to our system. So hope you all understood how to see the data which you have served in incognito tab, and how we can get rid of from that viewing by others. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.